In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a free theme and a premium theme in WordPress. I'll also point out some of the advantages of upgrading to a premium theme and where to find them.
Hi, we're Website Casa, and we build affordable websites in about 10 business days. We also do short videos to answer questions and show you how to do things that you may be having trouble with. And other than this short intro, we get right to the point. So let's get started.
It's probably worth explaining how to install WordPress into a new hosting plan on GoDaddy. So what you'll do is you'll navigate down to where it says web hosting. You'll find the plan that you're looking for. In this case, it's blankcasa.com, and you'll click on manage. When you click on manage, it's going to take you to a new dashboard. Because you don't have anything installed already, you'll see a button that says Installatron. This is where you can install your first instance of WordPress. You'll only have to do this once, so I'm going to talk you through this. So you'll just click on the button where it says Installatron. When you land on the Installatron page, you'll just scroll down to where you see WordPress. This page is also referred to as the C-Panel. You'll click on WordPress. This will take you to a page where you can designate where you'd like to install this application. You'll do that by clicking on Install this application. The next screen is very important. It will give you options on where you'd like to install the WordPress. If you have more than one domain name, they'll all be listed here. So make sure you're installing on the right domain name. It also gives you an option of adding a directory. By adding a directory, it won't be installed in the root, it will be installed in the directory. In this case, we'll just install it on the root domain name, which means when someone types in your domain name, it will go directly to the installation. Scroll down, do review these different options. What's important here is that you do designate a username and a password. You should also update the administrator email to reflect the correct email address. Once you've checked all the information, click Install. You'll see that it starts to install the WordPress. Once it's installed, you'll click on the domain name that ends with wp-admin. It will take you to a page where you can select from some free WordPress templates. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to start from a blank default WordPress. Yes, I'm sure. And no thanks, I just want to exit. By doing this, it will take you to a dashboard that doesn't have a theme installed. I'll show you how to install a WordPress theme, a free WordPress theme, and I'll also show you how to install a premium theme. Now that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, I'm going to show you how to install a free WordPress theme. You'll simply navigate to where it says Appearance and then click on Themes. One of the options within Themes is to add a new theme. So you'll just click right here. Now you have an option of different themes that you can select. You can select popular themes, latest themes, favorites, or if you have a genre of theme that you're looking for, you could just type that. By clicking on the theme, you have two options. You can have a preview or you can install it. Let's go ahead and preview it. The preview will give you an insight into what the theme looks like. Now, let's go ahead and install it. Now that the theme is installed, you'll need to activate it by clicking on Activate. You'll see that the theme is now installed along with the default themes that were already installed into your WordPress. Now it's time to customize it, but that's another video. Now let's talk about premium themes. Free themes are great to get started, but quite often are not worth the hassle. Because with free themes, it's usually quite difficult to get them to look the way that you want them to look, which is why I recommend using premium themes. As you can see, there's lots of premium themes available, and they range in price from $39 all the way up to maybe $100. But don't worry about the price. The time that it will save you is well worth it. Now, there is a site called ThemeForest which I use to find themes. There's lots of different platforms and lots of different sites that you can use to find themes. I just happen to use ThemeForest because of this selection. Not only do they have great WordPress themes, but you can also get audio, video, graphics, photos, and 3D files. Another option to consider is Divi. Now, what I love about Divi is its ease of use and all the tutorial videos that are available online. Divi also gives you a range of templates to choose from that can be changed on the fly. Divi is fairly inexpensive, and if you're a developer, you can purchase lifetime access, which will allow you to build unlimited websites for your clients. But if you're just building a website for yourself, I guarantee you the yearly access at $89 is well worth it. Divi also offers some discounts at times, so be on the lookout. Once you've decided whether you want to use Divi or ThemeForest, you can make your purchase. If you're using ThemeForest, you'll simply find the theme you want and add it to the cart. Once it's added to your cart, you can proceed to checkout. You'll simply complete your purchase and download it to your desktop. So for the rest of the video, we're going to assume you've downloaded the theme to your desktop. Okay, great. We're making really good progress. Now you should have installed a new WordPress theme, either directly through WordPress or through GoDaddy. You should have also decided whether you want to use a free theme or a premium theme. You've decided to use a premium theme, so you've now purchased a premium theme and you have it on your desktop. What we'll do now is add that premium theme by going to Appearance, Themes. When you go to Themes, just like with the free theme, you'll click Add New. The difference here is you'll now be uploading the theme as opposed to searching for a theme. So you'll just go to Upload Theme. You'll choose your file that you have on your desktop. You'll navigate to that file. You'll double click. Now the great thing is you can install the zip file. So you'll just select the right file. It will probably be a zip file and open it up. The next and final step in installing the premium theme is to click Install Now. Depending on the theme file size, it can take 30 seconds up to a couple of minutes, but just be patient. If you've done everything right, you'll then receive a message that says, Theme installed successfully. You could either do a live preview, you could return to the themes page, or you can activate. Now, by activating the theme, it means that theme will now be active on your website and you'll be ready to customize it. Customizing themes is another tutorial, and there's some great tutorials on how to customize Divi themes available online. But for today's tutorial, I just wanted to show you how to install a free theme, how to find a premium theme, as well as installing the premium theme that you found. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful, and we always appreciate your feedback, so feel free to reach out to us by calling or visiting websitecasa.com.
Are you starting a new business? Deal Casa can help. Claim your free quick start website from dealcasa.com. Just use promo code FVR0119. We love working with startups and entrepreneurs. Claim your free quick start website from dealcasa.com right now. For more information on this offer, visit www.dealcasa.com.